Hey guys, today I want to talk about cleaning your dryer filter. Now, I know it's not something you think a lot about, but it's important. Now, I know most of you know that you should take the lint off after every load. And a good way to do that is take your dryer fabric softener sheet if you're using it and just wipe that lint and contain it like that, so that you get that all off of there and then you can just trash it. And I use an old dryer sheet. I don't use a new one. But can you see the residue that's on here? This builds up over time. It keeps the air from flowing well. It can cause dryer fires. It can put junk out onto your clothes and they dry slower. It takes more energy. So once a month, I want you to remember to go and clean this. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Now, I'm using a basin. You can use your sink or whatever's easy in your laundry room. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a squirt of any soap that you like, dish soap, laundry soap, whatever you want. And we're going to put a good squirt into some warm water. And we want it to be warm water. Then we're just going to drop that dryer filter down in there. And we're going to take a brush and we're going to just start and go over it. Now, turn it around so that you're soaking it up with the water. Now, you will leave this for 10 minutes when you're doing it at home because you want it to soak some of that off so that you don't have to work hard to clean it. But I've used the brush. Now, if you want to, you can use a sponge the same way. And what that is doing is taking the residue off. Then we're going to shake it out. We're going to put it into the water and we're just going to start rinsing it. Now, if you have a sink where you have running water, you can run water through it. Once you get it rinsed well, we're going to take it and I'm going to lay it out on a towel here. And the important thing with this is to let it dry before you put it back in the dryer. Now, it's that easy to do and all that residue will be removed and you're good for a month. You don't have to worry about doing it again, but it gets that residue off. Now, I don't know if you can see it here because I didn't let it soak. Remember, let it soak 10 minutes, but it does a great job. So that's it. It's the easiest way to clean your dryer filter. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.